Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into Hack the Box and tackling one of the very first starting point machines called Meow. This is an extremely easy Linux machine, making it perfect for absolute beginners who want to understand the fundamentals of network scanning and exploitation. Let's get right into it. Before we can interact with the target machine, we need to establish a secure connection to the Hack the Box network. We'll be using OpenVPN for this. I've already downloaded my configuration file. Let's open the terminal and run sudo openvpn followed by the file name. Enter the password, and once you see initialization sequence completed, we are officially connected to the HTB lab and ready to scan. We start with Phase 1, information gathering. Our target IP address is 10.129.71.43. To find open ports quickly, we'll use a fast port scanner called Rustscan. Let's run the command, rustscan-a followed by the target IP. As you can see, Rustscan immediately discovers that port 23 is open. Now that we know which port is open, let's run a targeted Nmap scan to find out exactly what service and version are running on this port. We'll use Nmap with the -p flag for port 23 and -sv to detect the service version. Let's run it. The Nmap results confirm that port 23 is running Telnet on a Linux kernel. Telnet is an old unencrypted protocol used for remote management, and because it sends data in clear text, it's highly insecure and often prone to misconfigurations. This brings us to Phase 2, gaining access. Since the Telnet service is active, we can attempt to connect directly using our built-in Telnet client. We type Telnet and the target IP. We successfully connected, and we are greeted with the Meow login prompt. When dealing with poorly configured or default servers, one of the first things a penetration tester checks is default credentials or blank passwords. Let's test if the administrator account, which is root on Linux, is left unprotected. We type root as the login name, hit enter, and wow, we got immediate access. No password was required at all. This is a classic example of a severe security misconfiguration. Now that we have full root privileges on the target system, it's time for Phase 3, finding the flag. Let's list the contents of the current directory using the ls command. There it is, flag.txt. We can read its contents by typing catflag.txt to extract our final proof of compromise. And that is our flag. The machine is officially pooned. As you saw, a simple misconfiguration like leaving a default root account accessible via Telnet can give an attacker complete control over a server. In this walkthrough, we use some powerful tools like Rustscan, Nmap, and Telnet. If you want a dedicated deep dive video explaining how any of these tools work under the hood or how to use their advanced options, make sure to drop a comment down below and let me know. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next cybersecurity walkthrough.